PS3 in the box. Guy said he used it once. 10 bucks. In the box, baby, 10 bucks. And it had a figure in there. The box is not in great shape, but at the same time, you know, that's fine. So this is one of my favorite buys of the day. You are never gonna see these anywhere else.
I'm gonna leave it in the end.
Okay, no, I'm gonna do this one next because it's big and I wanna get it out of the way. I'm telling you, you're never gonna find this like this in a box at a place. And wait till I tell you what I paid for them, because your head's gonna explode. The price was so good, I didn't even negotiate, okay? That's how you know how good the price was. All right, you ready? You guys ready? Okay, this 3 were from the same place. I turned and saw them, and I just, my head exploded, because I've never seen these in a box in my life. The boxes are pristine. Double shot, Ideal Toys.
I cannot believe you didn't negotiate.
I didn't negotiate this. Okay, that's how good the price was. Double shot in the friggin' box. Okay, complete.
50. Okay,
complete.
so say how much we gonna.
Yeah. By the way, take a guess how much I paid for all. There's 3 of them. Okay.
How much Brian he gonna pay?
Okay, so double shot in the box. They told me it was complete. This side is open. Okay, the other side is still sealed.